What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are gonna talk about something different. Well, a few days ago I have posted something on my Instagram that there is a big discount going on Aliexpress. Every year on Aliexpress they offer a very big discount on Singles Day 11.11, and this deal will actually continue for a few days. Every details are given in the description box, but there are a few things I need to mention. Most importantly, Aliexpress is offering $4 discount for every $20 spent, and there are a lot of thousands of coupons and free shipping available through this discount period. So I think if you are planning to buy something, Thanksgiving is coming and there are a lot of occasions coming, so maybe you are preparing or planning to buy some gifts for your loved ones. If not like that, if you're like me, if you want to buy something for yourself, then okay, Aliexpress 11.11 Singles Day, this discount offer is one of the biggest and the best that you can get through a year. What they say is our best deals of the year. Come and get the products at the best price of the year. Yeah, I've already bought something. I bought this TicWatch Pro 5 and this FreeYond M5A. So personally, I'm gonna recommend these two products to you. You can see clearly I'm wearing this TicWatch Pro 5 and well, I also have this FreeYond M5A. Let's talk about TicWatch Pro 5 first and then we will talk about FreeYond M5A. Well, here comes our TicWatch Pro 5. This one is equipped with a Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 for wearable platform. Yeah, this is the best, the most powerful SoC for any smartwatch. This one comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of ROM. TicWatch Pro 5 has a AMOLED display panel of 1.43 inch. There are actually two display panels. We will talk about that later. The main display panel has 466 by 466 resolution and 326 pixel per inch density. The display panel is protected by Corning Gorilla anti-fingerprint cover glass, and this one supports Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. Well, we will talk about more, but let's quickly go through the unboxing. TicWatch Pro 5 ingeniously integrates a highly efficient ultra-low power display on top of a stunning OLED panel, which allows us to access important information for days after days without needing to charge this smartwatch. In extreme scenarios, the ultra-low power display enables us to stay on top of our game via switchable tiles such as heart rate, blood oxygen, calories, and a compass. More importantly, there is this essential mode. We can select either scheduled essential mode or we can use smart essential mode. So the smartwatch will go to essential mode smartly when we don't need to access the main display panel. It will always use this ultra low power display panel. Well, talking about the main display panel, this is a very vibrant one and I love this display panel. Mostly these days, I don't use this display panel, but whenever I use this main display panel to access all the data, all the information, wow, this is one of the best. This one offers smoothness, vivid and vibrant. Definitely, it's colorful. Talking about colors, well, we can also change the colors of the ultra-low display panel. We can select from an array of 18 bright colors for ultra-low power display to fit our look. Okay, I understand that you wanna know about the battery life and battery size. TicWatch Pro 5 comes with a 628 mAh battery and this battery actually offers more than 3 days of battery life. TicWatch Pro 5 can deliver up to 80 hours of battery life with scheduled or smart essential mode. TicWatch Pro 5 dynamically adapts to our lifestyle, effortlessly expands our adventures without any interruption. So, okay. What about charging time? 30 minutes of charging and this smartwatch will have 65% of battery. TicWatch Pro 5 has a new fast charge technology which actually helps this smartwatch to get refueled very fast. Only 15 minutes of charging offers me 1 day of battery life. Well, there are a few other upgrades that TicWatch Pro 5 has and which offers us convenience. TicWatch Pro 5 now has a new rotating crown And the structure of this crown with a very good haptic feedback, it feels more than satisfactory. It feels delightful. This crown offers us effortless yet versatile control. Well, I've talked about a lot of features, but the most important feature that has made me fall in love with this TicWatch Pro 5 is its health data measurement. This one comes with a lot of premium sensors and offers a very accurate health data, especially sleep time monitoring, along with heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, and many other features. TicWatch Pro 5 also has this IHB detection. TicWatch Pro 5 can detect irregular heartbeat, including AFib, premature beat, and many other. And this smartwatch is able to alert us to potential heart health issues in real time. But I need to mention this feature is not intended to diagnose or treat any medical condition or for any other medical purpose. Not only that, TicWatch Pro 5 also helps us to stay connected, stay informed. TicWatch Pro 5 taps into all 5 global satellite systems: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Peyto, to ensure that we have the most accurate location data no matter where we are in the world. Well, that's all about this TicWatch Pro 5, but no, that's not all. This smartwatch is a very fashionable one, a very sleek one, yet this is a rugged, reliable, and resilient smartwatch. TicWatch Pro 5 is military standard 810H certified, 5 ATM water resistant, and as I've already mentioned, the display panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Finally, how much is the price? Well, I have left a link in the description box below. Go ahead, use the coupon code and the discount together and get this smartwatch at an unbelievable price. Okay, here comes FreeYond M5A. A few days ago, I have given an award to another FreeYond smartphone, and now I have this new one, and I think this one is maybe even better. Before I talk about the features and performance, let's quickly go through the unboxing. FreeYond M5A is powered by UniSoC T606. Within the past couple of months, I have used a lot of smartphones with UniSoC T606, and I think this FreeYond M5A is one of the best. There are 8GB of RAM on board, and we can expand the RAM with another 8GB, so we have access to 16GB of RAM. Moreover, this FreeYond M5A comes with 256GB ROM, and that means we have a very big storage real estate. The display panel is a 6.6-inch IPS LCD panel. This is a HD Plus panel. It has 720 by 1600 resolution, and you know what? This display panel supports 90 Hz refresh rate. So yeah, FreeYond M5A offers smoothness, scrolling through the menu or playing games, whatever it is. This one is very smooth, and the 6.6-inch IPS display panel can actually reproduce very natural colors. Okay, talking about gaming, can we play games on this FreeYond M5A? Me and Tia, we both have played a lot of games on this M5A. We have never felt any issues. After playing Real Racing 3, Need for Speed, and many other graphics-intensive games, we can say without any hesitation, yeah, you will enjoy playing games on this FreeYond M5A. And I believe among all the budget smartphones, FreeYond M5A offers the best in-game experience. FreeYond M5A has a 50-megapixel main sensor, which takes very good photos. If you want me to do a separate camera comparison video, please let me know. I'll be happy to do that because I am super satisfied with the camera performance. Out of the box, FreeYond M5A comes with stock Android 13. The system and UI is very smooth, performs like a beast, and as far as I know, FreeYond will push major Android updates. Okay, this is a feature-packed smartphone, and that means we will be using this smartphone through the day. So what about battery life or screen on time? FreeYond has managed to put a 5000 mAh battery into this slim smartphone, and that means this smartphone offers more than 2 days of battery life. I have managed to squeeze more than 9 hours of screen on time even after playing games for hours after hours, which is almost unbelievable. And inside the box, this one comes with a 18-watt charger, which actually refuels this smartphone within a very short time. So if you're in the market looking for a budget smartphone which comes with a very cheap price tag, then I think it's the correct time to get this FreeYond M5A. Because on Aliexpress there is a very big discount going on. There are thousands of coupons and free shipping available. Moreover, don't forget that you will get $4 discount for every $20 spent. So okay, go ahead, check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to use the coupons and everything. But before that, one request: if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.